ALX Beauty Lounge here in University Place, Washington is the only luxury salon where you can come and get not just educate. ALX Beauty Lounge here in University Place, Washington is the only salon that you can come into to get not only education, but also support with your bridal needs, as featured in Seattle Bridal Magazine multiple times. This station right here is where the clients come and check in for their experience that they're gonna receive while they're here. And the mirror there is a reflection of what they're gonna look like on the way out, which is a completely different individual than they look like when they come in. I love this space for not just its simplicity and functionality, but just the fact that there's comfort oozing all through everything in here, including the velvet. When they come and arrive for their appointments, which are running on schedule, they are welcome to have a seat for a moment if they would like. And when they take that seat over here, they can peruse any of these magazines that are available or books, and they can also corral and chat with their girlfriends just before they start their major experience. And they can also see the products that are available. So ALX has an assortment of products. These products vary from very well-known brands to Alexandra Victoria branded products. These products, like the Firm Hold Edge Control, are none other than the best that you can find out there, even demonstrated in my current do for you to see. Clients come far and wide for not just that, but also the array of combs, brushes, silk bonnets that are available for them in order to maintain, because they're not just about education, but also maintenance when at home. So these wonderful items are available for sale when clients come in for their treatments in order to try to recreate and maintain the work that happens with their clients here. At ALX Beauty Lounge, the second stop after sitting in your comfortable salon chair is to get into an even more comfortable shampoo station, which has my favorite feature of being able to recline my feet as I get my hair washed. This salon is equipped with so much state-of-the-art technology and comfort, like the infrared and blue light steamer that is also available. Any treatment and processing that you need takes place here based on your specific hair type. Behind us, you have all the attention to detail in these very beautiful amber bottles that are decanted with all of the shampoo and conditioner necessary for the variety of hair types that they service here at ALX. The moss wall is hand done, and it's a mix of live and faux, so that we can have some longevity and you can see that for a long time to come. We were also really strategic with the lighting and ensuring that you can actually see everything, and it's highlighted from the top and from the bottom in order to make sure that that's perfectly advertised. After my very comfortable shampoo session, I get to relax on this plush sofa as I get my hair dried. Underneath these dryers here, the next thing you'd logically want to do is probably plug in your phone, which is why we have these chargers readily available for you right next to the sofas. And then if you would like to listen to something, we've conveniently placed these headphones that are specifically designed to go beneath your hair and then up on your ears, so that you can listen to whatever you'd like to listen to while your hair is being dried, whether it's the television or the vibe in the space. Don't forget, we'll also gladly grab you a LaCroix or some coffee and tea refreshments, which is what's placed over here in our sideboard, mini fridge, and our Keurig machine for fresh frothing. No spa experience or lounge experience is complete without a pit stop in the powder room. This powder room is a whole mood. This deep emerald green is exactly what you need to come in to continue your Zen experience, complemented and outfitted with marble hardware, brass finishes, a full-length mirror to check yourself, an LED backlit mirror to make sure that you're lit properly, and lovely accent lighting and artwork that continue the calm and Zen, but very, very it's a vibe kind of experience. That's all I can say to describe it. It's a total vibe. The polished brass was a nice accent to some of the matte black finishes that are throughout the rest of the space. There's a very special lash room experience here. It's a slightly elevated and brighter color scheme than outside. You walk in, you're gonna close your eyes and you are going to be able to have a zen experience for your lash, for your facial, and for perhaps future massages, depending on how the room gets used. The space also has elevated mirror in order for you to focus on just what's happening up here, nice and close up by a Black-owned designer, might I add, outfitted with sconces on either side and a very smart sideboard that has sliding doors. When you're working in a compact space, you want to make sure that you don't have doors that swing open and take up that 45-degree angle. So this is the perfect complement for this, outfitted with some beautiful privacy drapery over here, which slides back and forth on a traverse rod. In these very comfortable chairs, you can be trusted in the hands of multiple ALX stylists. I am joined by my client, Alexandra herself. So excited to have Ashley here. Ashley is the founder and owner and lead stylist here at ALX Beauty Lounge. And we are so excited for her and the experience that she's able to offer to her clients. Is there anything you would like to say?
I am absolutely in love with this space. That's just the first thing. I'm still in shock right now, but I'm just gonna enjoy it. I know my clients are gonna enjoy it, and that's the most important thing for me. So I'm proud to say that I have a space that they'll be happy and relaxed to be in, and I thank Green Shareen Designs for that.
Yeah.
So
they've got a little drink table here while they're getting their hair done. I mean, that is what I'm talking about. That is luxury. Thank you for joining us and reviewing the wonderful scenes behind. And if you are interested in making your appointment, you're able to do so on alxbeautylounge.com.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.